And he will continue this argument in Natural Selection, chapter 4, right? So especially the first part is what you want to look at. The first part and then the last part of chapter 4 you want to pay attention to. He has a part on like sexual selection here at the end of chapter 4, which is a little bit long. You know, maybe you want to skip over that a little bit. But anyway, natural selection is the high point of the book where he really makes the theoretical argument. And then at the end of chapter 4, he'll give us the great tree metaphor. So again, another metaphor at the end, right? So chapter 3 and 4 is really looking at the metaphorical, conceptual metaphors that he uses to make his scientific argument. Chapter 5 we're not reading. It's a good one though. And then chapter 6 is his difficulties with theories, with the theory, right? Get to it here. So he'll talk about, so first 5 chapters, he's like basically giving you the theory, and then, excuse me, at the end, he talks about the difficulties that he has, like the weaknesses. So go figure, huh? So he's taking on all the questions that he has and that other people have at this point. And he's, admitting to gaps and stuff like that, but he holds to his guns and he tries to answer everyone's sort of objection and show how he's moving in the right direction. So again, a good chapter goes well with chapter 1 and with chapter 14. All right, and so that brings us to, and then we'll take a big jump, right? So let's just take a look at the chapters that he'll deal with here, right? So he will deal with, let's see, let's get a little quicker here. So chapter 7 will be instinct, right? So the first 6 chapters are basically theory. The second part is basically sort of the evidence, the things that he looks at. So first of all, looks at instinct, and then hybridism. These still go with the theoretical aspect, actually. And then when we get to chapter 9, yes, so now he'll start to look at the geological record in chapter 9. That'll go on in chapter 10 as well. Right? That continues that. And then in chapter 11, or chapter 11, geographical distribution, right? And then one more chapter, and then we get to the one we want to get to.